Welcome back to Bit Distracted Games. My name is Nick, and we're going to continue making our first platformer game in FlatRedBall. Last video, we focused on tile sets and parallax, which have a really cool effect of giving our game a sense of depth. As promised though, I'm going to go over how to fix the textures overlapping into the blank space as we see with the clouds right here. The way we fix this is to adjust our map size. If we exit out our game, click on this camera icon, we can see the height of our game is 360 pixels. We could adjust this instead, but then we're stuck with this resolution for all the maps we create for our game. We want to adjust our map size to the game's resolution. Let's open our level 1 map in Tile, go to map, resize map, make the height 25 tiles, and then the offset Y 9 tiles. Press enter or click OK and save the game. Let's go ahead and test our game in FlatRedBall now. Notice we have fixed the clouds bleeding into the blank space, but now we just have black above our game. Let's fix that. As always, please feel free to design the level as you please, but it's okay to do the same thing as I do as well. Before going any further, let's hide our gameplay layer. Now these orange bricks don't appear in our game. Now that we fixed a blank space, I want to see what the clouds look like on the map without parallax. Let's select the cloud layer and change the parallax factor for X and Y to 1. This time, instead of adding clouds in the background, let's add clouds in front of the ground visuals. Create a new layer, move it above ground visuals, and let's call it top cloud layer. Draw a thick layer of cloud, maybe add some holes in it, and last but not least, adjust the parallax factor to both X and Y to 0.1. Let's not forget to adjust the cloud layer back to 0.3. Now save and test the game. Notice how this thick cloud moves slower than the background clouds. This is because the parallax factor on the cloud is smaller than the background clouds in the sky layer. With this, we have successfully removed any blank space we saw in our game previously. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to add entities to our game, opening the door for infinite ways to manipulate how our game is played. As always, I am Nick with Bit Distracted Games. If you have any questions, make sure to join the FlatRedBall Discord server via the link below in the description. Until next time, thank you for watching.